Hello and welcome to Nutritionist Pro. In this video, we will learn how to group certain sugars in your recipe. Per Canadian label rules, there are certain food items where sugars can be grouped together. This allows the sugars to be listed in the ingredient list as a combined weight and thus can be shown higher on the list. Let's discuss how to do that inside a recipe. Let's begin by opening our recipe. This is the main basic screen where we have assigned a name and region that this recipe belongs to. Click Continue. This next screen shows the preparation options for the recipe. You can assign various preparation methods here as needed. We have a more in-depth video that goes over all these screens in detail. I will leave a link to that in the description box. For now, let's click Continue to move to the next screen. On this screen, we have the list of ingredients shown for your food item. Before we group the sugars, take a look at how the ingredient list looks currently, where the sugars are at the end of the list based on their individual weights, and the pineapple ingredient is above the two sugar items. This is because an ingredient list in a food label is shown in descending order by weight, so the smallest ingredient is always last. Now, let's click the Group Sugar button. Once you click this button, small checkboxes show up next to each ingredient. Select the ingredient that you would like to group together. Once you select them, click on the orange Here button to update your ingredient list. You will now see the weights of the sugar shown, and the ingredient list will repopulate with the new order. Now in the ingredient list, pineapple is the last ingredient since the sugars are a higher weight when combined. I hope this clarifies how to use this feature. Let's move to the other screens of the recipe and close and save this recipe. If you'd like to learn more about the other screens of the recipe, I will link that video in the description box below as well. In addition, I will also leave a link to the Canadian government rules as well so that you can learn more about this regulation. Thank you so much for watching and learning how to group sugars in your food item. Please subscribe to our channel so you can learn more about our products and company. We hope you enjoyed our video and we look forward to working with you.